Is it the case?
Yeah, this is the case. Yeah.
Okay, so you are basically a forms developer.
Yeah, forms developer.
You are basically a forms developer with PL/SQL background, but
yeah, PL/SQL background. Yes.
okay. So do you know any basics of Java?
Java, I
You
have
know
long time.
Java?
Java means not that much. I know something about Java.
Okay. So for ADF, the Java is a prerequisite. The core Java. Now I recommend the students to at least the core Java so that they can understand the ADF. Just a minute. Okay, so I recommend Java for any of the developers, because ADF is purely a framework based on Java and database standards. Okay, so if you don't know Java, then it will be very difficult for you to understand the framework, right? Okay, so as said, right, the Java is a prerequisite, and nice to have is SQL and PL/SQL. Okay, so if you know SQL, right, select start. That should be fine for me. And I hope that you know it already, so I don't have to worry about it.
No, I have done a lot of programming in PL/SQL, SQL. I have been, I'm very hard coder, basically.
Yeah, that I understand because you're a forms developer, but I need Java, more of a Java than less of an SQL.
No problem. So you can give me a brief introduction about Java also. When we join when I intend to join the course, no. So I will take the core Java also. How many sessions you need for core Java?
Actually, I don't teach Java because Java is not my cup of tea. Because teaching is different and having a knowledge of it is different, right?
Okay. No, what do
so
you?
If you have any doubts, I can.
No. In Java, what are the things you want me to concentrate more? Like.
Okay. So in Java, I want to know what is a class, what is an object, how to create, how to sorry, how to create an object of a class, what are the method functions, members functions, and member variables, and how to call member functions from the class, that object, and what is inheritance, encapsulation, all the core Java concepts basically.
Yeah. Okay. So this I can get read an overview of it.
Yes, and you can get an online. There are so many online tutorials to learn by yourself. So you can you can learn it, but the major problem or major hurdle will be the problem is the SQL and PL/SQL are linear programming languages. Okay, linear as in you'll go in a line by line state. Okay, but Java is not so. So I found, I've trained so many people, right? So from the similar background, so I found that they find it very difficult to understand or move to Java. Okay, when because they are using PL/SQL and SQL. So maybe I doubt or no, I still suspect that you also hit the same hurdle. But it's very important that you cross the hurdle, or else you'll not be able to understand it, or you'll start hating it actually.
No problem. Because basically I started from COBOL, so I know the programming since a long time back. I can take effort to learn it. Let us see how I can manage it.
COBOL is also a linear programming language. I know. I also know COBOL. The COBOL is very straightforward and very English-like language, right? You can understand it very easily. But SQL is also very easy to understand. But problem with Java is that it's very difficult.
Until you can branch out any time from anywhere. You mean to say, it is not sequential.
Exactly. Yes, exactly. It's not sequential programming language. So that is a major problem here. Okay, and to at least understand. But once we get used to it, right, you will not find any difference. It will not find any difficult for you to understand. So that hurdle will be there always for you. Okay.
So basically, what are the things? Give me what are the things you will be covering under this ADF?
Okay. So under the ADF, I'll make sure that you understand or you create an application on your own. Okay. So that is the course agenda. No, I don't follow the textbook course. Okay. So I have my own methodology and I implement. Okay, and I have done it to so many batches. I do online online training as well as classroom training as well. Okay, so I have completed 5 batches of classroom training with around 4 to 5 people each in each batch, and maximum batch was 12 people. Okay, so and I got the feedback from all the students that the course was very helpful, and then they were able to do their works independently after the classroom training. Okay. Means actually I have done a corporate kind of a training for one company, a small company in Hyderabad, and the maximum batch was 12. That was the batch. Okay, so all the new joinees were given to me for the training, and I did the training, and then after that I got the feedback from the manager saying that okay, they were able to do it independently, right? So that's all. I don't follow any textbook methodology, nor I follow any course contents also. Okay, so I tailor-made the requirements based on the student. So just it's up to the students to understand or what they want from me. Okay, I evaluate the students, and then based on that I teach. It's not that every day I'll strictly take 1 hour and then in this 1 hour I should complete this. Right? I don't follow that kind of a methodology. But yeah, just a minute. Yeah, sorry. So I was saying that yeah. So I based on your
I think that the voice cut is there, huh? I cannot hear you.
If you have any requirements, specific, no, take you to where from where you can learn on your own. Okay, you have to explore by yourself on the next topics, right? So I make sure that I cover or touch every concept in ADF, right? Because the production scenarios may be different in all the kind of stuff. But that should give you a strength, or that should give you an ability to Google or search it or find it out by yourself. So that's to the point where I take it. So I don't guarantee or I don't promise you that you'll be able to do a production code right away, right? After that you have to put some effort to get it. Okay.
No, because since I have done a lot of
So that
programming
is
this
the course,
area.
and I don't know if programming in that's the matter. You have done a lot of programming in SQL and PL/SQL and forms. I strongly say that there is no match of ADF. Okay, so means I have, as I told you, right? I have also worked on COBOL, DB2, CS kicks, and then Java, J2, and ADF. Okay, finally I settled down to ADF. Okay, but I have the knowledge on all of this concepts, so I understand how does the kicks programming looks like, what does the COBOL programming looks like, right? COBOL is all black and green.
Yeah.
Right, SQL is all text pad or physical developers. But
Yes.
ADF is not like that. ADF is totally driven by an IDE, a framework, a framework of its own, and it's totally different. Not so easy. At the same time, not so difficult. Okay, so definitely you need a guide or assistance to tell you what exactly is happening behind the scenes. You may have tutorials to tell you that okay, to get this requirement, do this, do this, do this. It will work. But how it is working, why it is working, you never know. Right? So that is the point where I come into picture. Okay, so if you want to do something or if you want to learn ADF, definitely you will learn by its own. There are so many YouTube videos to tell you to get a specific requirement and all that. But you'll never master it. You'll never master the subject, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why the training is very important. That's what I say. Okay, and today as I told you, right, so the major constraint I have is that I'll not be able to take the class every day at 10 o'clock because today I'm on leave actually. So I'm in my native place, not in
Yeah.
Hyderabad. So that's why I'm able to take the class today. But when going forward, when I'm on daily office work, I'll not be able to take it 10 o'clock. Okay. So 8 o'clock is fine for me after December 15th because by the time the student will be over, when I'm taking another class, online training, that guy will be over by December 15th.
In the
So
evening, what time you'll be free? Evening, what time you'll be
I told you,
free?
right? Evenings, I reach back by 8 o'clock. Okay, that's not a problem. But the problem is I extend my office hours, right? After coming back home, sometimes it's a very urgent work is there, or sometimes I have my personal work, right? So I have to go to some hospitals or some shoppings and all that kind of stuff. So evening is little kind of tight for me, no? Hands will be tight for me, so if I accept it. So that's why I don't recommend. Okay, but if you evening will not be suitable for you, right? Because it will be early morning for you, very early morning.
Evening means like if it is like 11, 12 for you, for me it is, like maximum time, how long you can stay awake in the evening, late night?
Oh, okay, late night 7 o'clock is okay for you?
Late night 7 o'clock means, for me no problem,
11,
7,
11,
8.
11.
Huh?
No, late
11
night
o'clock
11,
is
11 for me.
11 for me, no problem at all. 11, 12 also for your timing.
Okay, 11 suits for me. 11 p.m. in the night suits for me actually, because 11 by 11 almost my work should be over.
So I think 11 is a good time for you and me because we can 1 hour, because if you think I am going fast, no, we can stretch hours also, so we can finish quickly also. That way also is possible, no? If you gauge me, my caliber, we can work out extra hours or something like that, or no, we have to go like a standard 1 hour or something like that.
No, it's not standard 1 hour. I can extend. That's not a problem. It's not always standard 1 hour. Sometimes it's 40 minutes, sometimes it's 1 hour 20 minutes, right? So
Yeah. That we are flexible. We need to be flexible. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start at 11 o'clock then.
Yeah. Good. 11 o'clock is a good time. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll start at 11 o'clock then.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So now currently I'm on vacation actually. So I told you, right? I'm in Vizag and then I'll be back to Hyderabad on Monday morning. Okay.
Okay.
So is it kind of an urgent for you to learn this course, or is it okay?
No, we can start from Monday. No problem. What do you think from Monday? Is it possible?
So okay, we'll do one thing. Yes, Monday 11 o'clock should be fine, absolutely. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Today, do you want me to give a demo, brief overview of ADF and all?
Yeah. Just give me a brief so that I will get an idea what is what. Because see, do you have any strategic plan for you to start the course? Like I am going to cover this like as a part of my course. Like at the end of this course, you will be doing finishing or something like that.
Yeah. So after 10 days, I'll give you a brief kind of an assignment, project work kinds. So where you have to work on that project work simultaneously actually. So every day, after 5 days, every day there will be homework for you, right? So you have to practice that hands-on and then report me. So whatever I teach, right? So it will be on the similar lines, the concepts. Okay. So I suggest you to learn Java first. Okay. So I'll give you what are the concepts you need to learn in in Java so that we can understand that. Yeah. So roseindia.net is a very good tutorial I follow at least. For small things, any Java questions also. If when I'm getting an error in Java, so I usually refer to the site. Okay, so you have programming tutorials, core Java here. Okay, so master Java in a week. It says that you can master, but I don't know. Okay, so I suggest you to follow this no, tutorial once at least, and get the concepts. Okay, so I
Okay.
want up to this. So Java is an object-oriented language. No, just a minute.
First,
Did
second,
I
huh?
post anything like that? Just a minute. I think is it not? So what is the tool you use for forms? The developer 2000?
And developers, yeah, developer 2000 forms.
D2K, right?
Yeah, D2K.
Okay. Yeah. So I want you to follow everything actually.
Arrays, this,
Uh,
everything, data types, arrays, this, that, huh?
I topic 10 as objects. Okay, 9, 10, 11 are very good, very important for me, to understand or learn Java.
9 and 11, huh? Okay, inheritance and the abstract method and classes.
Yeah, 9, 10, 11.
Okay.
Yes. So what is an inheritance? What is a class? So, but before that, you have to understand what is Java and all, right? So you can follow the sequence. That's good. But I want you to learn up to 9, 10, 11.
Okay.
Okay. So up to 11 is fine. Yeah, the examples are very good. Picture representation. So if you have any doubts, we can discuss that. But I don't teach Java, so that's the basic concept.
No, I can get it because I have done Java long time back, 5, 6 years back, like core Java, okay? I have to just revise and because the concepts is almost, because I'm a hardcore programmer, no, I can understand and correlate things very easily. It is not like that I will find it difficult, okay?
That's what I told you, right? Even so good a developers, PHP developers doesn't make good Java developers. Okay, because you are good in SQL and PL/SQL, you'll start hating Java. Because I have worked with the teams, my projects have both SQL and PL/SQL and Java as well. So I don't work independent of ADF, right? So we need to interact with PL/SQL, we need to interact with the database. So we have all these things. But when I have it, right?
But mostly in ADF it is by through wizards we are going to generate everything, no? But whenever we are going to amend that time we need to have the knowledge of Java, I think, no?
Exactly. Okay.
To manipulate or play with the things, we need to know the Java to make the changes as per the requirements.
Yes. Okay. So do one thing. So just learn the Java. Just go to this tutorial, learn the Java, and Monday 11 o'clock we can start. 11 p.m. IST.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem. Okay then.
Okay. So ADF is. I will understand better then. When you learn Java, you understand ADF better then. Okay. So we'll start on Monday 11 o'clock, and you discuss everything else from the Nagarjuna, and then we can start on 11 o'clock Monday.
Okay.